Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to prevent message requests from others on Instagram. If you're tired of receiving unsolicited messages, follow these simple steps to take control of your inbox. First, open the Instagram app on your device. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll want to start from the home screen. Next, look for your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile page. This is your personal space where you can manage all your settings. Once you're on your profile, locate the More icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon to open up a menu with various options. Now scroll down and select Messages and Story Replies. This section allows you to customize how you interact with others on Instagram, especially regarding direct messages. After that, find the option labeled Others on Instagram. Here, you will see different settings related to message requests. To stop receiving requests from people you don't follow, choose the option that says Don't Receive Requests. This will ensure that your inbox remains free from unwanted messages. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your settings to prevent message requests from others on Instagram. This not only helps maintain your privacy, but also creates a more enjoyable experience on the platform. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might also want to take control of their Instagram messaging experience. Happy Instagramming!